Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real and the real. So we're here with the lovely, most talented Nailah Blackman. How are you?
I'm good. How are you
enjoying this New York weather?
I am, definitely. I love when it's like this. Not when it gets too hot, and not when it gets too cold. Oh my gosh.
You know, it's not Caribbean heat, but it's concrete heat. But it's close enough. It's hot.
No, somewhere. It's hot, but it's not hot. Last Labor Day was hot. Oh my god.
I know that you're from Trinidad. You know, big up Trinnies. You know, I had a roommate, Trini. Where's your musical background from? Like, where did you start with music?
Where did I start with music? Well, I started with calypso. I think I did my first calypso competition at 4 years old, actually. I remember I sang a song called something about dancing. I don't know, it was like a dance song. My mom wrote for me. That's really where I started. But when I started creating my own music, I sang, played the guitar, and wrote my own songs. And that was when I was about 12 years old. And I was doing some more like alternative vibes, kind of indie, kind of genre, folksy, folks. And then I went on to do soca. Yeah.
Okay, soca. I like soca. You know, they say Jamaicans only soca.
I'm actually going to Jamaica this weekend.
Really?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Very excited.
So, you said something about playing instruments, correct? So, what's your favorite instrument to play?
Well, it would have to be the guitar, but recently I've been teaching myself how to play the ukulele, and it's super fun because it's super cute and little, and I go everywhere with it, and it just has this like unique little sound that I love. So yeah.
What's your biggest inspiration in music? Like, what inspired you? Because I actually went to your concert. I think you were at Anything Goes with DJ Nori.
Oh yeah.
And I seen your performance. It was so energetic and just bubbly and full of light. Like, what inspired you to get on stage and just take control?
Well, first things first, I'm a songbird. From ever since I know myself, I love music and I love performing, and I was always very shy growing up. I never liked to talk to anybody. I never really had friends, and I was just all alone. But as soon as I got on a stage or to perform, people would be like, was that the same shy girl that wasn't saying anything? Like, I just light up. So honestly, the love for music and the love for performance and dance has always been within me since I was a child. I think it's because my mom was working on her album when she was pregnant with me. So I definitely got that from straight in the womb. And I just have different influences. Like, there's so many different people that I would look at and be like, oh, I love this, I love that, I love this, I love that. And I just try to put it to what I have already and make something, you know.
So you said your mom was pregnant with you, and so who is your mom, for those who don't know?
So my mother is Abby Blackman, and she's a singer, songwriter, musician, fashionista, everything, actress as well. And she is the daughter of Rash Shorty, also known as Lord Shorty, and he is the creator of soca music. And she's actually the eldest of 14, but he has 24 children in all, so it's a lot of them. Yeah.
So a lot of cousins. A lot of cousins.
Okay,
but you guys have fun.
A lot, yeah.
So, being that you just started music recently, because I read about you, of course, you started music just like 3 years ago, baby?
Yeah, it was in 2017 when I came out with my debut song, Workout. And it's just been uphill from there, so it's kind of like 2.5 years now. Yeah, this at the end of this year it will be 3 years. Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. So how did you move so fast into the music industry? Because I know that it could take time to get certain places. How did you get to where you were now?
Well, I would say because I have a great manager slash producer, Anson. He's fantastic in terms of like, he's hardworking. He pushes me. We're always working on songs. I'm always working, to be honest. I don't really get time. Like, I always look at other people. I'm like, you guys get time to cook. You get time to go this, do that. And I'm like, when do I ever get that time? It's really because we're both workaholics. So we just want to know where let's just work, let's just do what we have to do, and putting creative minds together, you know. People just really and as I said, in my last interview, I was the first female to come out in like 10 years doing something big in soca. So it's like, I think people were kind of just like refreshed, and they were like, oh, you know, something new is happening. So I think they gravitated to me because they were kind of missing that youth aspect in soca music, and it is such a young genre, you know what I mean? So yeah, so the youths of Trinidad and the Caribbean really took to me quickly, and well, the youths run things, so we all know that, you know what I mean?
So how do you feel about crossover music? Because I know you sing a lot of soca music, Caribbean music. I know you featured with Ding Dong before, Shansia, and other people. How do you feel about crossover music? Like, is that for you, or? I
love crossover music. I think that's the future right there. I am actually working on an EP. It's called The Real, and it's all crossover tracks. I want to do something different outside of soca music. It's really where I started, and it's like I'm now going back to it, but people don't know me for that. They know me for soca music, and now I'm kind of taking them back to where I was before everything blew up. So yeah, there's more sides to me, and that's really what The Real is about. It's about showing all these different sides of me.
So in this new EP, what kind of genres will we be having on there?
There's some hip-hop crossover, not straight hip-hop, but hip-hop crossover, Afrobeats crossover, R&B crossover, pop crossover, and well, soca crossover.
Of course,
yes,
of course.
Definitely.
You got to keep it within all. So what are some artists that may be on the EP, or just artists outside of Caribbean people that you may want to work with?
Well, I don't really want to let the cat out of the bag with the EP because I really want people to be like surprised and anticipating who is going to be on the EP. So my lip is zipped where that's concerned, but we have some really dope people on this EP. But in general, I love so many different artists. You know, I'd really love to collaborate with Tory Lanez. You know, he has like Caribbean roots, and he's also really dope. Like, we were just hearing one of his songs the other day, and we were like, wow, he's so talented. Well, I love Miley Cyrus. I'm ashamed to say, well, I'm not ashamed to say, I love you, Miley. So Miley Cyrus would be somebody dope that I would love to work with. But yeah, I have such a long list. But
no, okay.
Post Malone, Drake, where you at? Come on. Yeah, SZA, that would be sick. You know what I mean?
So you know how they have crossover and people going on like Love and Hip Hop or like MTV, BET Awards. Do you ever see yourself in any reality TV, like based in the United States, UK, wherever?
To be honest, I don't really watch reality TV, but I always say my life is like a reality TV show. People just don't know it because they don't get to see behind it. So I think I may be very well able to fit into a reality TV show. I think my family needs their own reality TV show, because when you get to see the characters I have in my family, it's so different. Like, it's crazy. But what I would say is, like, I'm not too much for, like, y'all Jamaicans say mix up. Like, I'm not about that mix up kind of vibe. I'm not, like, we Trini say, and I'm about our bacchanal. Yeah, so I don't know if I would fit in right with the regular reality TV shows that I know of, like Love and Hip Hop and stuff like that. They be snatching each other. Weave is pulling off. No, nobody's ripping off my weave. No.
Do you have any new music that will be coming out for the summer? Because you need some summer songs.
Yes, The Real will actually be releasing in August the 23rd, but I will have some singles coming up before that, actually releasing in the next 2 weeks. So summer songs are definitely going to be there for you guys.
Okay. And will you be here for New York City's Labor Day, aka West Indian Parade?
Of course. I will definitely be here. I was here last year and I loved it. It was just too hot. It was so hot. I never felt this kind of concrete heat before. Like, it's different. It's different. I saw like people buy these fire hydrants, like lay down on the ground. Everybody was like passing through it. I was like, yo, I want to go through it too, but I don't want my clothes to get wet. Like, it's so hot. So yeah, I will be back for Labor Day.
Okay, wonderful. So that is it. Thank you, Nailah Blackman, for having us with you in your personal life. And I'm Lex from Gwaan Dancehall. Thank you for tuning in.